Hello everyone. Let's move to the next very important topic in English grammar, that is present perfect tense. In this present perfect tense, first of all we'll read about sentences, negative sentences and questions. But before we start, we should know when we use this tense. Present perfect tense is used to give any information about the action that has just finished. बोलते समय बोलने से पहले जो क्रिया तुरंत ख़त्म हो उसी को बताने के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. Before we start this present perfect, we should know about the subject, which is in singular and plural form. First person, you are very much familiar, that is singular is I and plural is we. Second person, you, plural is you. Third person, we use about singular is he, she, it, and plural they. Subject I. Here first of all we should know about the formula about this present perfect, how to use. First of all, there is subject, next part is to be, where we use have or has. Third part is verb, we have to use past participle form plus object. Here there are some examples. I have gone to school. Here subject is I. Verb to be, we will use here have, and past participle form, that is gone. First form is go, second form is went, and third form is gone. And we will add object. So in the last part there is he, she, and Sam. That is singular person. So we use has in all these three sentences, like he has gone to school, she has gone to school, Sam has gone to school. But when the subject is plural, we use have. Like examples, you have gone to school, we have gone to school, they have gone to school. Now here are some more examples. We'll see some sentences. Present perfect. Here also once again you can see subject is I, you, we, they, he, she, it, Sam, and plus to be, that is what? Helping verb. What is helping verb? Helping verb comes before the main verb. Now here helping verb is have, main verb is played, and object is football. So clearly here it is written, examples are here mentioned. I have played football, you have played football, we have played football. In all these examples, we can see that the action has just finished, and here information is being given. Now we talk about negative sentences. Here there is only one change, that is after to be form, that is helping verb, you will use not, and others the same, like I, you, we, they, he, she, it, Sam. We'll use example here I, you, we, they के साथ हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? Have or not. Just not will be followed after have. Now present perfect negative sentences. Here are some more examples. I have played football. Now when we will change this into negative sentences, what will be there? I haven't played football. There is only one change, that after have we have to use not. You have played football, you haven't played football. We have played football, we haven't played football. He has played football, he hasn't played football. So here we see that for singular we'll use has, and for plural we'll use have, and we'll add the word not. Here are some more examples. You can clearly see, like I have played football, I haven't played football. Okay, so these all sentences are very easy to understand. Now with next part is questions. So here is also very easy one, but here you have to change the place. First, in previous examples subject was the first part, but here helping verb will be in the beginning, and after that subject will be followed, and the next all will be the same. The example, I have played football, how you change into questions? Have I played football? You have played football, have you played football? So here in before framing these present perfect questions, we will use what? Helping verb at the starting, and we'll use the third form of the main verb. Now here are some worksheet. You have to just find, mention 5 things you have not done so far but want to do. So you have to give the information about the things you haven't done so far. And second, write down 5 important events that have taken place till today. आपको 5 important events लिखना है जो आज तक हो चुके हैं. So I hope you have understood all these topics. Thanks for watching.